Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I am swatching another 2 Makes 3 duo from Defy Inspire. First up here we have Bachelor Nation, and then we have It's Nothing Personal. We're going to see each of these individually and then of course together, because that is the whole point of the duo, and I think it's just super fun. And I'm really enjoying these whole like little sets, so let's take a look. First up, we're going to be applying Bachelor Nation, which is a really pretty pink. I feel like this pink has like a purpley undertone, because when you put this right up against like a bubblegum pink, you're going to get more of a purpley vibe from this one, even though it is definitely and very evidently a pink. Here is one coat. As you can see, that applied really nicely. It's a tad bit sheer, but this cream is going to build up in no time, as you guys are going to see here on this next little clip. It just goes on really flawlessly, and this one I know for sure is available in like a full-size polish, so if like you really enjoy Bachelor Nation, then you can go grab this one full size, and I might have to do that because I do really like this color. I think it's fun. It would be a great toe color. And as I mentioned, or maybe I didn't mention earlier, I'm going to be using this on 2 nails because of the other one called It's Nothing Personal, because as with the last duo that I posted, I want to say last week, it is one of those ones that you can build it up as we're going to do here on this nail, but you can also wear it as a topper. And that is kind of the like third look that you get with this 2 Makes 3 concept duo thing, which I'm really enjoying, because literally you can have 3 different looks with just this little polish set that is like, I want to say it's $5 something, maybe $6 at the most, but you know, fairly reasonably priced, and you can pick it up at Target. And I mean, Target is like the best thing ever. You can go and get everything and things that you don't need and things you want, and polish, because they have good polish. And I'm just rambling. But here is about 3 coats of It's Nothing Personal. That builds me up to about full coverage. I could see if you do super thin coats, you might need to go on to a 4th if you have like a really bold nail line. But for me personally, I was perfectly fine with just 2 coats. Now here I am putting it on top of Bachelor Nation, which really turns Bachelor Nation into this really pretty, shimmery, kind of more muted pink with a purpley tone. It just makes for a really lovely manicure in my opinion. And also, this is a great way to have like a full manicure in one box, because you could wear Bachelor Nation on your nails, throw the one on as an accent nail, and you look like you have put a lot of time and thought into your nails, but really it's just 2 polishes. You didn't really put much thought into it, and it was all there. So here is your final look at all 3 options for this box, which I'm really enjoying. I wish the boxes had like names, but they don't. I just kind of have to tell you the shades names, because, and actually the bottles don't say the names of the shades, so you have to keep the box if you want to know the names of the polishes, which is a little bit annoying. But I'm going to do it anyway, because then I kind of know where to go to grab the right polishes for the right looks. So anywho, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. Be sure to also check out another video that is coming out today that features these polishes in some nail art. I will have everything like that and today's blog post featuring these polishes linked in the description box below, so you guys can head over there. And also there will be a shop link if you want to go grab this little set for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!